Alright, another unboxing video. More shit for the Honda. Well, time to open it up. See what it is. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise, but it's nothing, crazy, nothing major. But it's something I'm gonna end up using for the Honda. Hopefully I got enough. Dun 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 dun. Ooh. Oh, that fuzzy. Man, this is crazy. Yep, I'm happy with it. Got 4 yards. So it's 46. No, wait, 4 yards, so it's 3 feet a yard. And so it's like 12 feet of it. So hopefully that's more than enough. 12. So they said it's around 60 inches wide. So if it's 60 inches wide and 4 yards long, I should have more than enough. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. I like this. Let's see how it's going to end up looking once it's installed. Right, we got another unboxing video right now. This one's going to be a fast, quick one, so it's already kind of open. So, well, here's what I ended up getting. I mean, see a little square. What could that mean? Yep, one of those Usain Volts. Usain Bolt, whatever it's called. This one's the 4.0, so they finally was in stock or sometime this week. So I jumped on it. I ordered it and here it is. Usain Volt. A little description how to wire for people that don't know how to wire this thing. It's not too hard. Here you go. Let's keep this build going.